Good day, sir. I will read the lecture notes topic 3 L03.2 Marpol Annex 1 to 6 Mandatory Regulations and Legislative Requirements. Mandatory regulations in the context of Marpol International Conventions for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. The term mandatory regulation refers to the set of rules and standards that must be followed by ships to ensure compliance with the conventions. The regulations are not optional, they are obligatory and binding for all ships falling under the scope of MARPOL. The mandatory regulations cover various aspects of pollution prevention and environmental protection in the maritime industry. Each MARPOL Annex addresses specific types of pollutions and outlines regulations to prevent or minimize these pollutants. The mandatory natures of these regulations emphasizes the commitment of the International Committee to safeguard and marine environment and reduce the impact of shipping activities. 1. MARPOL Annex 1 Oil Pollution Prevention. Mandatory regulation focus on the prevention of oil pollution from ships, including regulations for oil tankers, oil records book, oil discharge, monitoring equipment, and shipboard oil pollution emergency plans o SOPEPS. 2. MARPOL Annex 2 Noxious Liquid Substances. Mandatory regulations addresses the prevention of pollution by noxious liquid substances carried in bulk. This includes regulation for the construction and equipment of ships, the categorization of substances, and procedures for discharge. 3. MARPOL Annex 3 Harmful Substances in Package Form. Mandatory regulations cover the prevention of pollution by harmful substances in package form. This includes labeling, packaging, and documentation requirements for the transport of packaged dangerous goods. 4. MARPOL Annex 4 Sewage Pollution Prevention. Mandatory regulation focus on preventing pollution from sewage by setting standards for sewage treatment system, discharge criteria, and the implementation of shipboard marine pollution emergency plans. 5. MARPOL Annex 5 Garbage Pollution Prevention. Mandatory regulation address the prevention of pollution by garbage from ships. These regulations include requirements for the disposal of various types of garbage, special areas, and the management of ship-generated garbage. 6. MARPOL Annex 6 Air Pollution Prevention. Mandatory regulations aim to prevent air pollution from ships by setting standards for emission of sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, and particulate matter. The annex also includes energy efficiency measures. Countries are contracting parties to MARPOL are responsible for incorporating the convention requirements into their national legal framework. This process involves the establishment of legislation measures that ensure effective implementation, monitoring, and enforcement of the pollution prevention standards outlined in MARPOL Annex 1 to 6. These legislative requirements contribute to the global effort to protect the maritime environment from various forms of pollution originating from shipping activities.